How can I find and download the last price and price-earnings ratio for the constituents of a stock index over a period of time in Excel?
Good question. Watch this video to find out. In the past video, you learned to export the constituents of a stock index to an Excel file. The Hang Seng Index was the example. Now in this video, we continue using the Hang Seng Index as the example. You will learn how to download the last price and price-earnings ratio over the last 2 years of each constituents of the HSI index. First, close the Excel file and go to the desktop. Open the bb-addin.exe file to install the Bloomberg Excel add-in. Click Install. After that, reopen the Excel file. You have now installed the Bloomberg Excel add-in. Click on the Bloomberg tab. Now you are on the Bloomberg Excel add-in toolbar. To get started, click the Spreadsheet Builder button. Choose Historical Data Table. Then click Next. Follow the steps in the Spreadsheet Builder window to build the desired data set. The first step is to select a list of securities. Instead of selecting the HSI constituents one by one, we will use the spreadsheet we downloaded to select all HSI constituents in the Spreadsheet Builder at once. To do so, click the Range Selection button next to the search bar. Select the stock tickers and click the Range Selection button again. Great, you have put all the HSI constituents in the Selected Securities box. Click Next to move on. Now you are ready to search for the required data items. In the search text box, enter the first data item, in this case, last price. Select last price from the drop-down menu. Last price is now selected. Then, enter the second required data item in the search text box, which is price-earnings ratio. Select price-earnings ratio from the drop-down menu. Price-earnings ratio is also selected. Then click Next to continue. This is the page to set the periodicity and time frame. Periodicity can be daily, weekly, quarterly, or yearly. Calendar type can be chosen as date calendar, period calendar, or relative calendar. In this example, we select relative calendar. Then select a 2-year range. After that, click Next to move on. The last step is to select the layout options, including data placement, field orientation, time ordering, etc. Feel free to change the default choices to form a layout that you prefer. After that, click Finish. Please be patient. Don't disrupt while the Spreadsheet Builder is requesting data. For a small data set like this example, it takes less than 2 minutes to generate the results. Great job! You have now exported the price and price-earnings ratio over the last 2 years of all the constituents of the HSI index to Excel. If you need further assistance, please contact Bloomberg or the HKUST library.